The electric vehicle industry is taking off. Every manufacturer has plans to convert their fleets, if not their entire fleets, the vast majority of their fleets, to electric vehicles. This is where the industry is going, so our technicians have to be prepared for it. They're already working on these cars in the dealerships, so when our students graduate, they need to be ready for this. So when they get there, they have the experience, they can be valuable employees right off the bat from day one.
I like the fact that, all the experience you get here directly affects what you can do out in the field. I just recently got a job working at a bus auto shop, and I use what I learned here over there. So it's a very, very direct transfer of knowledge.
Most of the kids here have the same sort of mindset. Everybody's trying a lot harder because they want to be here and they enjoy it. So they're all doing really good work, and it is a good environment because you're learning from other people.
And then just being able to bring up somebody new into the field and see, hopefully grow and foster that love that I have for it, and especially with the EV stuff. This is the future.
We have a program where we're going to be training electricians how the electric car works, and our electrician training program is going to be training automotive technicians how the grid works, so that we have that greater understanding. So it's new stuff like this, constantly, pushing the edge and learning something new. That's what really excites me about this. I'm a bit biased, okay, but we are the best automotive program in the state. I go around and I visit other schools as part of our certification body, and a lot of excellent schools, especially the SUNY schools, a lot of very, very good schools, but I think we just have that edge. So, this is the place where you want to be. If you want to do the cutting edge stuff, if you want to be involved in the newest, latest, greatest things, look at the vehicles behind us, this is the place to be.